Marketing is a critical aspect of any successful real estate business. It helps brokers and associates promote their services, attract clients, and grow their reputation. In this chapter, we'll discuss marketing plans, advertising laws, the use of social media, and how to stay compliant with state and federal regulations. A strong marketing plan begins with the 5 P's: product, price, place, promotion, and planning. Effective marketing requires understanding your business goals, knowing your target audience, and choosing the right strategies to reach them. At the core of every marketing plan is a mission statement. This statement explains who you serve, what you offer, and how you conduct your business. Brokers and associates benefit from having mission statements that align. For example, if a broker specializes in residential properties, their associates should share that focus. Once the mission statement is clear, the marketing plan maps out how to achieve business goals. It identifies strategies for promoting services, gathering testimonials, and projecting income. To stay effective, the marketing plan should be updated regularly, at least once a year. Advertising is a key part of marketing, but it must comply with state and federal laws. The Florida Real Estate Commission, or FREC, requires all advertisements to include the brokerage's license name. Ads without the brokerage name are considered blind ads and are illegal. When advertising memberships or professional designations, accuracy is crucial. For example, you cannot use the term realtor, R, unless you are an active member of the National Association of Realtors, R. Similarly, designations like GRI or Graduate Realtor Institute must only be used if they are current and earned. In online advertising, the brokerage name must be prominently displayed near any contact information. For example, if a licensee advertises their phone number, the brokerage name must appear next to it. Business cards and social media posts must also follow these rules. Team advertising is another area regulated by FREC. Teams or groups within a brokerage must include the words team or group in their name, but they cannot use words that suggest they are separate brokerages. Examples of prohibited terms include realty, associates, or properties. The broker's name must always appear larger or more prominently than the team's name. The National Do Not Call Registry protects consumers from unwanted telemarketing calls. Real estate professionals can call individuals on this list only if they have an existing business relationship or if the consumer made an inquiry within the past 3 months. Calling for sale. By owner listings is allowed, but only to discuss a buyer's interest in the property, not to solicit a listing. Violating the do not call rules can result in fines of over $40,000 per call. To avoid penalties, telemarketers must follow safe harbor rules. This includes maintaining written procedures, regularly checking the registry, and keeping detailed records of compliance efforts. Email and fax advertising are also regulated. The CAN-SPAM Act governs email marketing and requires advertisers to include a clear subject line, a physical address, and an opt-out option. The Junk Fax Prevention Act requires prior consent before sending advertising faxes. Violating these laws can lead to substantial fines. Social media has become a powerful tool for marketing real estate, but it must be used responsibly. All social media posts must follow advertising laws, including displaying the brokerage name. Personal social media pages cannot be used to promote listings without identifying the brokerage. Choosing the right social media platform depends on your target audience. For instance, Facebook might be ideal for retirees, while Instagram or TikTok could appeal to younger buyers. Professional platforms like LinkedIn can enhance a brokerage's reputation. It's important to focus on platforms that align with your audience and business goals. Although social media is often seen as free, there are costs involved. Maintaining an active and engaging presence requires time, effort, and sometimes money. Paid ads on platforms like Facebook can be effective, but must be carefully planned to ensure a good return on investment. Let's consider a case study involving discrimination in social media advertising. In 2018, several organizations sued Facebook, alleging that its advertising tools allowed brokers and landlords to exclude protected classes, such as families with children, from seeing housing ads. This violated the Fair Housing Act. Facebook later settled the case and updated its advertising tools to prevent discrimination. In summary, marketing in real estate is about more than promotion. It requires careful planning, adherence to laws, and a thoughtful approach to social media. By staying informed and compliant, real estate professionals can effectively market their services while maintaining trust and professionalism. This concludes Chapter 11 on marketing and social media. Remember, success in real estate begins with a clear plan, a commitment to compliance, and a focus on serving your clients.